The 2025 Audi RS4 Avant is recognized for its powerful engine, quick handling, and aggressive design. The Audi RS4 is more unique and aggressive than the ordinary Audi A4. The RS4 boasts a more muscular body package, larger air intakes, a honeycomb grille, flared wheel arches, and a rear diffuser with huge oval-shaped exhaust tips. The RS4, like the previous Audi RS models, comes equipped with Audi's famed Quattro all-wheel drive system. The 2025 Audi RS4 Avant's interior is well-crafted and luxurious, with supportive sports seats, carbon fiber accents, and RS-specific features. The 2025 RS4 has a sport-tuned suspension with adjustable dampers that allow the driver to change the firmness of the ride. Therefore, the Audi RS4 mixes power, performance, and elegance to provide an exciting driving experience. It is a popular choice among enthusiasts looking for a versatile sports car that can also serve as a daily driver. The Audi RS4's interior offers high-quality materials, modern design elements, and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard design is sleek and modern, with luxury materials including leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber trim. The layout is driver-focused, with an emphasis on ergonomics and control accessibility. The steering wheel is frequently flat-bottomed, contributing to the athletic sensation, and it usually includes audio, phone, and other vehicle controls. The instrument cluster is generally a digital display, most frequently Audi's virtual cockpit, that gives the driver customizable information about performance, speed, and navigation. Large infotainment screens, which provide access to functions like audio, connectivity, and navigation, are usually located in the center console. Due to its easy-to-use interface and simple controls, Audi's MMI, multimedia interface, system is frequently utilized. The Audi RS4 has automatic climate control, high-quality audio systems, smartphone connection with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and innovative driver assistance systems to improve safety. RS4 seats are typically sporty and supportive, with contrasting stitching and RS badges, and are designed to give exceptional comfort and lateral support during spirited driving. The Audi RS4 has a powerful 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces an astounding level of power and torque. The engine is a triumph of engineering, with direct fuel injection and a complex turbocharging system that maximizes efficiency and performance. The engine provides a stunning output of roughly 450 horsepower and 443 pounds-to-foot of torque, allowing the Audi RS4 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, providing an exciting and adrenaline-pumping driving experience. The Audi RS4 comes with a comprehensive set of active safety features. These include advanced driver aid features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Airbags are strategically deployed throughout the cabin, including front, side, and curtain airbags, to protect all occupants in the case of a collision. The improved seatbelt pretensioners and force limiters are equipped with high-performance vented disc brakes that include an anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, and electronic stability control. Overall, the 2024 Audi RS4 prioritizes safety through its strong structure, intelligent driver aid systems, extensive airbag protection, and cutting-edge braking technology.